Drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, go!
Let the fuel fly! All right. Red with a snow flurry of fuel, but here comes blue right up to him. It's neck and neck. Here comes red with another furious flurry of fuel. Red is going to transition over to blue. Blue Alliance has the active hub. Let's see what they do. Oh, a little bit of defense there. Robonauts just knocking 10-385 Cycle Breakers out of their intended shooting spot. Looks like they're going to play defense on them a little bit. But here comes Cycle Breakers. Good little volley. Human player is also volleying. But now it's Red's turn. Fuel going everywhere. Oh, Fofo really putting a little nudge on Orange Dynamite. Red still has the hub. And time for blue to take advantage of their opportunity to score while their hub is active. Human players scoring. Robots collecting fuel, getting ready to get into their spots. Here comes Cycle Breakers. Oh, a little bit of defense by the Robonauts there. And they're coming back around. They're well aware of the time. Fofo trying to play some defense, but here comes Orange Dynamite. And here comes, it's almost impossible for Fofo to defend both at the same time. All right, 30 seconds left in the match. Both hubs are active. Both Blue and Red Alliance taking advantage of this last few seconds of time. 185, 123 right now. Red currently in the lead. It may come down to the end, but we already have Robonauts with a level 3 climb on the tower. And time.
Home, where we got shoot says in the pitching of
.226 to 139. All right, Alliance 1 wins this one, and they're heading to the finals. While Alliance 2 drops down to the lower bracket to round 5, match 13.